In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages together in the Shopify Admin. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to enhance their online store's navigation and improve the user experience. Let's dive right in. To start, we're going to begin by navigating to the Products section within your Shopify Admin. You'll find this option conveniently located on the left-hand panel of your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the products you currently have available in your store. Now, take a moment to select the product you want to work with. This could be a featured item or perhaps a new addition that you're eager to showcase with some crosslinks. After choosing your product, look to the top right of the product page for the View button. When you click this button, it will open up the product page in a new tab or window. Once it's open, you'll easily be able to see the URL in your browser's address bar. What you want to do next is copy this URL. This link is important as it will serve as the connection point between the different pages in your store. With the URL safely copied to your clipboard, return to your Shopify Admin. Here, you can navigate to another product within your inventory, one that you think would complement or correlate well with the product you've just copied the link from. Click on this new product to open its details page. Now, scroll down until you reach the description section. This is where the magic happens. In the description area, you have the flexibility to add various types of content. To insert a link, highlight the text where you want the link to appear. Once highlighted, look for the link icon, which often resembles a small chain or link, and click on it. A small window will pop up, prompting you to enter a URL. Paste the URL you copied earlier into this field, and then click Insert Link or Apply, depending on the interface version you're using. Afterward, make sure to click Save to preserve your changes. And just like that, you've successfully created a hyperlink between two pages within your Shopify store. This interconnectedness can help improve the way customers navigate through your offerings and potentially increase sales by encouraging the exploration of related products. You can repeat this process as needed throughout your store to create a robust network of linked pages that guide your customers towards the products they're most likely to be interested in. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've enhanced your store's navigability, making it more user-friendly and intuitive. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find it second nature to link multiple pages together with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy linking.